Birds are caught in the home shed by catchers and placed in industry-standard poultry transport modules. The catching of birds is a skilled and physically demanding task and should only be undertaken by those who've received appropriate training and are sufficiently skilled. The use of rough, aggressive techniques will result in poultry panicking and becoming stressed and injured, causing bone breaks, joint dislocations and bruising, leading to unnecessary suffering. Broilers must be caught with both legs and should be carried with both legs with a maximum of 3 birds in each hand. The Humane Slaughter Association has produced a leaflet on welfare-friendly catching and handling of poultry. This leaflet must be read and followed by all those involved in catching and handling before undertaking this procedure. Birds should be placed in the drawers at the standard stocking density that's used when transporting them. Modules are moved by means of a forklift truck. Drivers should be skilled and experienced in moving the modules. When full of birds, modules should be moved carefully and smoothly, with no sudden or jerky movements. The module fits snugly into the container, and so lifting the module into the CGU should be undertaken with care. Do not close the door until the gas is going to be administered. It's essential to establish less than 5% by volume oxygen in the CGUs to ensure humane and rapid death in the birds. Continuous measurement of oxygen should be made at a level just above the highest drawer of the module. A reliable and robust oxygen analyzer should be selected for use. It should be handled, used, maintained and calibrated according to the manufacturer's instructions. When a containerized gassing unit, CGU container, is being filled, the gas mixture fills from the bottom and rises to the top, displacing air as it does so. This creates an atmosphere in which the oxygen level falls to less than 5% by volume, which is insufficient to sustain life. Turn off the gas once a concentration of less than 5% oxygen has been reached. Note that due to their greater resistance to anoxia, when killing ducks and geese, an oxygen concentration of less than 2% must be established and maintained. This is achieved by continuing the gas flow until the oxygen meter reads less than 2%. Note that this will take a little longer than achieving less than 5% and may affect the rate of killing. Birds close to the floor are exposed to the gas mixture well before those birds in the top of the container. Therefore, birds may start to convulse at different times, depending upon the rate of fill. Listen for flapping. Flapping may continue for up to 2.5 minutes. Allow a further minute, and if no further noise has been heard, the CGU can be emptied. If noise is heard, check that the oxygen concentration has not risen. If the oxygen concentration has risen, the gas must be turned on again. When all bird movement and noise has ceased, open the door and remove the module of dead birds with the forklift. As the door is opened, ensure that nobody stands directly in front of the open CGU, as the gas mixture will pour out of the container to be dispersed safely into the air.